Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies in the microwave without vanilla extract. Full guide. Mix 3 tablespoons softened butter with 3 tablespoons sugar until creamy, then add 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon milk. Fold in 1/3 cup flour and 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, stirring until just combined. Spoon dough into a greased mug or ramekin and smooth the top gently before microwaving. For vanilla-free flavor, use almond extract, honey, or citrus zest to add depth without overpowering the sugar cookie. Almond extract pairs beautifully with sugar and feels familiar to most palates. Honey adds a subtle floral sweetness and helps with moisture during the quick microwave bake. Citrus zest gives a bright, fresh top note that complements the buttery base and keeps the cookie tasting lively and homemade. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps us keep making quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty that feels as reliable as a favorite recipe. They're cozy during baking and worth the treat for your feet. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Microwaving needs gentle care to create a soft, tender cookie rather than a dry puck. Use medium power and short bursts to prevent overcooking around the edges while leaving the center slightly soft. Check after 45 seconds and add 10-second increments until the center is barely set. Allow a 2-minute rest so residual heat finishes the bake and the cookie firms without becoming tough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.